Magkano ba yung maximum SSS maternity benefits na makukuha mo? So, it depends sa classification. So, meron tayong child live birth, meron tayong miscarriage or early termination of pregnancy, and the last one is if solo parent. If live childbirth, ang covered dyan is 105 days. So, ang maximum maternity benefit is 70,000. Pero if miscarriage or early termination of pregnancy, ang covered is only 60 days. So, the maximum amount na pwede mong makuha is only 40,000. Pag sa solo parent naman guys, you will notice na mas mataas siya. It's 120 days. However, it does not necessarily mean na mas mataas pa sa 70,000 yung makukuha mo. Still, the maximum maternity benefit is just 70,000. Any excess is covered na ni employer kasi pasok na siya sa salary differential which is covered in the Expanded Maternity Leave na Act. So, again, same, 70,000 pa rin both live childbirth and solo parent. Ang difference lang is yung miscarriage or early termination of pregnancy which is 40,000.